Hi, I'm Tony Dovale, co-founder of Icmi, and I'd like to share information with you relating to our Icmi Referral Partner Program. Icmi is a referral policy and a referral system for people who successfully refer new business to us. This is how it works. Imagine you're interested in becoming a referral partner to earn additional income. Icmi will sign a referral agreement with you. We don't get into the specifics about expenses, costs, etc., because upfront we agree on a fair, flat reward for your successful referrals. We agree for your successful introduction to a standard reward of typically between 5 to 10% of the gross principal value of the deal, irrespective of our costs, expenses, outlays, and facilitator costs. This keeps it transparent, clean, and simple. This is how a referral process works. There are people that you know that we don't know. The important part to know is when you're a referral partner, you are staking your reputation on us. You are staking your networks and connections. You are staking whatever it has taken for you to build strong rapport and trusted connections with the companies and the people that you plan to introduce to us. We see that relationship value as almost like a pre-sold. Credibility, connection, trust are all already established. So when we talk to the client that you've introduced to us, they are open and ready to listen to us because you have already created that relationship with them and you have made an introduction to us. We believe you should be handsomely rewarded for that value and benefit that you bring to us. And that's why a business referral system is so important. And it's more than just simple word of mouth. A word of mouth system is like maybe you've eaten at a nice restaurant and then you tell a friend to say, hey, Tony, I ate at this great restaurant last night. I might go there or I might not go there. It's a kind of passing mention. It's not a proper referral. We have a structured referral system whereby we need more than just giving us an email. We expect you to go out of your way to scan your networks and business relationships to look for potential business opportunities that match our services because there's something valuable in it for you too. And part of your referral process is that you would do some basic research for us because you know them, you understand them. So you tell us company XYZ or person ABC has some people challenges in this area. And you might know them because you know the CEO, and you play golf together. You might have done other work with them until you understand a bit more of the internal dynamics. And that's not just word of mouth, that's a referral system. And you can earn big from this referral system because building relationships or networks is not easy. It takes time, it takes trust. And that is what we're staking between you and us. We know that we cannot abuse that relationship or abuse that trust. We have to deliver above and beyond. So you have the confidence in us, one, that we can solve your referrals problem. And two, that your connection says, okay, let them come talk to us. I think there's a deal. You need to be rewarded for successful introduction that translates into a revenue generating deal. Imagine if you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those a year, or you might be smart enough and even maybe do that in a month. Or you could be really sharp and do 2, 3, 4 a week. This has nothing to do with your normal kind of business necessarily, but this enables you to monetize and add value to those networks and relationships that you have built up over many years. Our responsibility is to fully deliver successful solutions. And to do that, we have global level experts to ensure that we are successful in delivering and facilitating those solutions. We obviously will make sure that we perform professionally and potently. So there you have it. We'll give you an agreed percentage, a flat agreed rate out of the principal of the deals that you bring to us. You don't have to bother or have any risk with our loss or profits or whatever other outlays and management costs we might be forced to endure. We believe a nominal 5 to 10% of the gross deal value, excluding taxes obviously, is fair for accessing and being introduced to your trusted networks. This gross revenue share also helps our important referral partners to aim high, because a percentage of a small deal is perhaps not that worth your interest or time or effort. You have the same effort for a small deal or a large deal. So we imagine that you'll put in the effort for the larger deals, for the benefit of yourselves and for ourselves. So if you have great contacts and new business potential in your networks, let's talk. It can be very beneficial for you, and we can help change and impact the world. We'd love to have you as a referral partner, so click the link to start the process. Thank you for your time. We look forward to seeing you soon.